Alright, what's going on, guys? This is going to be my first unboxing video. This is the unboxing of my Vanquish H10 Origin. For those of y'all that don't know, this is the relatively limited production, all aluminum and carbon fiber serialized crawler that comes with the title and everything. So I'm just going to get straight to it, see what we got. I'm sure y'all can see the box has no markings on it, which I'm a big fan of. That way people can't see what you got and try to steal it. All right, let's see. Here we go. Got a box within a box. Let's get this one open. Let's see, Vanquish Origin. And I have no idea what serial number I have, so y'all will be experiencing this with me. Oh, I may have to, let's see. Let me set this on the floor and get this out of here. There we go. Look at that. The camera can pick that up well. It's awesome looking box. Vanquish Origin. Those of y'all on computers, this box reminds me a lot of the RTX Founders Edition series cards. My 4090 Founders Edition box looks real similar to this. Awesome looking box. Let's bust the seal and see what we got. That's awesome. Got like a nice display, if you want to call it that, in the back of the box here. I'm going to try to not knock everything off a little pegboard back there. So let me see. You can see it's got the Vanquish logo. You have 3 separate boxes, it looks like. So I'm just going to go for the middle one first and let's see what we got. All right. This feels like axles, maybe? Yeah, let's see what we got in here. Maybe. Trying to keep the box somewhat preserved. Don't really want to just destroy it if I don't have to. There we go. Got some packing. Let's see. Oh, nice. Looks like this bag has the lighting controller, because this truck does come with the, I guess the Rigid Industries licensed lights in it. Got the aluminum bump stops and some other miscellaneous aluminum bits and pieces right there. Oh, nice. These are the aluminum axles. So for those of y'all that don't know, the Origin is fully aluminum and carbon fiber. You got your knuckles, the front axle housing, the third member clamps for the steering up front, servo mount, and your ring and pinion bearing retainers. All that's solid aluminum, which is awesome. So that's the rear, that's the front axle, and this is the rear. This is probably my favorite, or one of my favorite pieces of the truck. I'm gonna see if I can get the camera to show that. Bear with me. You can see this axle has a scale weld, if you want to call it that, all the way along the truss and up here. That's specific to the H10 Origin, as well as the top 4-link mounts are flared out at an angle, where on a standard H10 they're not. They just go straight. And this has a different style truss. Let's see, I'll put here's my H10 optic here for comparison. I don't know how well that shows, but this is an aluminum Vanquish H10 rear housing, and this is the H10 rear housing for the Origin. Hopefully that shows you what I'm talking about. All right, back to the unboxing. Oh, Got some wheels. Clear Battleborn. I believe these are the X-rays, and looks like they come with 475 hubs. So yeah, they come with, I got clear, as you can tell, clear wheels, clear axles, and black beadlock rings. However, I do have, I'll show them later on. I got some other Vanquish beadlock rings going on these wheels. Second pair of wheels, and that is it for the first box. All right, let's see if I can capture this. This looks absolutely fantastic. That is how the truck comes shipped. That's the fully CNC machine billet aluminum cage. And as you can see, I got the gray color anodizing on there. So let me try to get this thing out of here and show y'all what we got. All right, I'll get to this box in a second. As well as this one. Yeah, this is sweet. Let's see. So this is the cage. It is completely CNC aluminum. It's multiple pieces. It comes pre-bolted together. However, for the truck build, you're supposed to disassemble it to mount the skids and everything, but yeah, it looks fantastic. I really wanted a black cage. However, being that I do have, already have an H10 optic, I didn't want a black cage to match that. So did something a little different. And it looks like my truck is number 286. If y'all can see that. This is H10 origin number 286. What's cool about that, I'll get to it in a minute. This truck actually comes with the vehicle certificate of origin with the factory specs, VIN number / serial number, and all that. So yeah, we'll put this back in the foam, show y'all the rest of what we got. Let's see. All right, we'll set this guy on the floor. All right, last bit is the paperwork. This has your, should have the title, if you want to call it that. Let's see. Yep. So you can see it was built the 15th of August, 2025. Shows how the truck was spec'd out. Gray, clear, clear, clear. And yeah, it should have my name on it as well. Yeah, right there. That's me. So pretty awesome that they do this. And it comes with the rest of the build sheet and everything else in here. I'm gonna put that back. And this is the remainder of the box. It's a really cool looking display. Really nice that they did such detail on just a box. All right, let's see what we have in here. This is just another one of the boxes in there. Let's see, what do we have? Oh, this is awesome. Okay, this is the aluminum body panels. Like I said earlier, this truck is completely aluminum and carbon fiber. So I did clear panels. You can see they come pre-installed with the Rigid Industries LED lights. All these panels are aluminum. I'll pop one out real quick. Just the quality is fantastic. And for those of you that don't know, this panel actually has a bit of carbon fiber that's gonna mount here, and this is where your battery mounts. I'm gonna do a full build series on this truck if you wanna watch that. I'm gonna build this truck over the next week or so. But yeah, this is all the body panels. I hope the camera is doing this stuff justice because the quality is just next level. All right, so again, that's all the body panels. All right, let's see, last box. This should be all the hardware, bearings, transmission pieces, links, and all that. This is how it looks. Yep, that is it. You got your decal sheet, and I know a lot of people don't run these. However, I love the look of this black and chrome colored livery that just the Origin comes with on the clear panels. The promo truck on the website is clear with these, and I love it. So I will more than likely be running these decals. A lot of people don't, but I like it. You got your instruction manual specific to the Origin with some spare parts, some Sparco, seat belts, etc. And this looks like the fuel cell, which I will not be using. You can see this up here. That's an H10 aluminum fuel cell. I'm going to use that. And yeah, this is just some miscellaneous pieces. A lot of this stuff is similar to what comes on the H10 Optic. Like, it comes with a tree that has the plastic bump stops, but this has the aluminum ones. The plastic air tank, which I won't be using. I have an aluminum RC four-wheel drive one that I'll be using. But yeah, that's what that is. You got your rear, looks like those are your rear axle shafts, ring and pinion bearings. So this is your links, and it does look like this comes with the Pro rod ends. They're just a higher quality rod end. You got servo horn, the plastic steering links, which the Origin does not use. They just come in the kit. They have aluminum servo links, front axles, and all that. Let's see, over here we got VFD skid, transmission pieces, and everything to build the transmission in the VFD skid. And this is miscellaneous shock pieces. Yeah, this is, I guess, all your shocks. This comes with the silver shock rods. I'm not going to use these. I'm using these tinny ones from Incision. Hey, buddy. So, yeah, those will be used on here. And this does come with the season drive shafts as well. And this comes with, hey buddy, and this does have carbon fiber roof panels. It's the only truck that comes with this. So, sorry about my son in the background. He wanted to come in here and see what we're doing. And you can see these have the Vanquish, I guess that's their certificate to show that it's legit. Alright, sorry about that. My son wanted to come in here and play, and got my wife to get him out of here for a minute so I can finish this up. It looks like that's it for this box. And I may have missed it. This truck, I believe, comes with the carbon fiber number plates. They may be in another bag that I did not see yet. I'll when I do the build series, I'll go through there and see. I do not see them in here, but they're definitely in the kit somewhere. So yeah, that is it. This truck will be getting built with a Reefs Raw 800 low profile, Hobbywing 2300 Fusion Pro, and like I said earlier, this is the H-Tech aluminum fuel cell. Just not real expensive, but just adds a nice extra touch of detail. So I got that, and these are the V-block rings I'm going to use. These are the Battleborn specific. They're like notched. You can see that on camera. Just has a little more detail. I'm using these V-block rings, Scale Hardware, of course. So yeah, I have the clear Battleborn X-rays with the Battleborn black notched rings. I think that's about it. Yeah, that's everything. So if you want to stick around and watch the build, I'll be getting started on it soon. May keep it all in one video, depends how long it takes, maybe two, but I'm gonna try to keep it all in one video. But yeah, actually let me show you this. It's gonna be going on Proline 1.9 BFG crawlers with the Vanquish dual stage foams. I prefer these to the Proline. I have both. I just like the Vanquish dual stages. So yeah, that is the gist of it. Thanks for watching. Like I said, if you want to watch the build, stay tuned. Hopefully be putting the first video up or the only video up for it within the next week. So yeah, thanks for watching.